I am aware that the reason why you want to kill me is not because of your men. It is because of money. That's the reason you want to kill me. Because you know what? After spending time with the Most High, after spending time with my divine counterpart in the higher realms, I don't have any desire to be involved with any men here on earth. Zero. Because you just don't compare to my divine counterpart in the higher realms. And because of that, I have been spending so many times with my divine counterpart. Every day we talk, every day we communicate. I know who he is. I know he loves me so much. I have zero desire with your men. Zero. As in, zero. You know that? None. I don't want to get involved with any of you. So there's no worry. To all women, your men are all yours. Because I have zero desire. It's just different. They don't compare. And I'm searching for that kind of love that I found in the higher realms. I'm searching for that kind of love so pure. It's not sexual. It's so pure. Pure love that is hard to describe. So, the reason for killing me, trying to kill me, it's not about your men. It's about money. Do you think I didn't know? Yes, I know. Because these people are stealing money from me. Hacking my account to steal money from me.